up, you guys? This is Lars with Crispi. We are excited to bring you a three video series about cleaning your boots, how to condition and maintain your boots, and the storage of your boots. We know that these boots are an investment and an investment for your feet, so we want to show you how to take care of them properly and kind of show you a little bit of what to do and what not to do, and what can be the outcome of either or. I have a personal pair of boots that I've been rocking for the past year and a half, and I have about just over 500 miles on them, and I will bring them in a little bit later on in this series, but just to kind of show you what maintaining them looks like. And these boots look like they maybe have 100 miles, even though they've been used for packing out elk, chucker hunting here in Utah, all in that nasty Utah desert terrain. These boots right here are from one of us here in the office. So we're going to show you on these in particular how to clean, condition, maintain, and store. We're also going to be showing you quite a few other models that have just been used for some improper care, maintenance, as well as storage. So we'll kind of show you what can happen there. If you have any other questions about this, we're super excited to bring it to you. Just give us a call at Crispi US.